Hey guys, I know this isn't an RV per se, but it is a quick fix for plumbing issues since all RVs have plumbing. We had a little leak in our kitchen this morning, so I'm going to do a little video here on quick fix for the leak. Alright, this is the pipe we have here that we found leaking this morning. It's actually the middle pipe at the joint, and we're gonna do a quick fix to it. It's obviously been leaking for a while. I went right through the drywall here, so we'll have to replace the drywall and various things after, but this is about the pipe. You may have seen this on Facebook, a video going around. It's called Fiber Fix. Say it can fix anything, hard as steel, waterproof. Home Depot got this box, I think it was 18 bucks. Just picked it up, and this is what we're going to use. So we open the package. It comes with some gloves. It says you got to dip the roll of Fiber Fix in the water, and then you squeeze out the excess water. You wrap your item that's leaking and wait about 15 to 30 minutes for it to cure. So got my hand gloves on. We're gonna go open up this package and stick it in the water, and we'll get started. And it's on there nice and tight. Now the waiting game says about 15 minutes it should cure. So we'll see what happens. So there's our pipe. We've got our Fiber Fix on there. You can see it bubbling up a little bit. Gotta let that sucker dry. And we'll get our pipes all put together, clean this up. See how it works. And there's the finished product. Nice and hard. Nothing leaking. We've tested it. All good. So now we just got to get the drywall done and a little bit of other stuff. The wood on the bottom here, got to get that replaced, and we're good to go. So that's your 30 minutes total. Fix that whole thing. Fiber Fix. You should get yourself a box of it, a roll of it. Keep it with you in the RV or even at the house. Comes in handy. Thanks for watching.